Hey, this is an experiment of my exhaust system design for my soldering robot. I finally managed to make a new version with much improved cabling. But this is the exhaust system. There is a centrifugal fan, and in this box there is a carbon activated filter which goes through this corrugated hose into this 3D printed fixture. And the soldering iron is hot right now. I don't know if I can focus on it. Let's see. And I would feed some solder and you can see how the fumes are exhausted. So it all gets sucked by this gizmo here. And it's not running at maximum capacity. It's a 12-volt fan that I'm running at around 8 volts, so it's nice and quiet. Yeah, very happy. It worked for the first iteration, so it's nice. And the hose is flexible, so I mean the head can move around. And it's quite flexible, so that should work fine.